Hey everybody, it's Sunday dinner time, so I'm about to cook our Sunday dinner. Y'all know how I do. I love to cook, and when I cook, I dance, 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 dance. Woo, 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 woo. Oh, this is my new shirt I got. I got a jacket and I got a shirt for my birthday. Y'all like it? Look at that. Fight like a girl. Yeah. That baby's sweet, ain't it? Yeah, my husband got me this t-shirt. And he got a jacket. I put the jacket on my community page so you guys can check it out. Anyway, so what I'm cooking today is fried whitings, fried potatoes and onions, green beans, and cornbread. Yep, we're gonna throw down. It's gonna be good. Okay. Now I already sliced up my potatoes, y'all, because no need for y'all to be sitting here seeing me slice up potatoes. I sliced up my onions. Y'all know how I do red onions. I got plenty of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those on the stove, and I use seasoning salt, garlic salt, pepper, and I let it fry. And it's so good. But I make sweet cornbread. And what I do is use Jiffy corn mix. Yes. Just a box, 50-cent cornbread, y'all. So yeah, I use one box of this cornbread, and I don't measure anything, y'all. Y'all know by now. Anybody who's seen my videos, I don't measure. I just dump, baby. 1 egg. This is for the cornbread. I melt butter, y'all. So. Yep, big old scoop. Like I said, I don't measure, but I'm going to melt this in the microwave. Normally take about a minute. And sugar. Yes, sweet cornbread, you need sugar. So, what I do is just scoop my sugar out. I normally do about 2.5 tablespoons of sugar. Milk, y'all, and I just pour enough in there to make it nice and thick. Waiting on my butter, then I'm gonna pour that on there. Then I'm gonna mix it up, and I'm gonna show y'all the consistency of it. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my fried potatoes and onions on. Yeah, when it pops, that means it's melted. So, yeah, just put it right on in. And then I'm just gonna beat my egg, and I'm gonna mix it on up. And I just mix it on up. And then with Jiffy corn mix, it starts out thin, but then it thickens up as you let it sit. So I got it all mixed up. This is it, and I'm gonna let it sit and let it thicken up a little bit. Then we're gonna put that in the oven. I'm gonna put my potatoes and onions on the stove, and then we'll be back, and I'll show you what I do with my fish and that process. So, all right, be back in a little bit. Hey y'all, so I'm ready to put the here's the corn bread. I'm ready to put this in the oven right now. I'm pouring it in my baking pan. And this is gonna cook for probably about maybe 35 minutes. It don't take a long time for it to cook. So I'm gonna go put this in my oven. I already preheated the oven. So that's going in the oven, and my fried potatoes and onions are cooking. So let me show y'all that. So this is what we got going on for the fried potatoes and onions. Of course, they still got a ways to go. So we'll be back. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to do my fish. This is going to be a good dinner. Hey. Yeah, you know, food make me dance. All right. Alrighty. Here's that good looking sweet cornbread. Yep, I put those 3 dabs of butter on top and I'm gonna let it melt. You don't cut it till it cool off, because if you cut it now, it will break apart because it's so soft. And those fried potatoes and onions, you gotta have that little brown crispy part. This is the best. And then the soft potatoes and the onions all mixed in, y'all. And then I'll be breading my fish, and I'll use those 2 canned green beans, but the key is bacon grease, y'all. Yes. So alrighty, we'll be back with more. I still gotta do the green beans and the fish. Alright, y'all, I'm back. The cornbread is all golden brown and ready. Fried potatoes and onions are done. I'm about to get my breader together for my fish. The green beans is on the stove with the green. Oh, and I use chicken breader. Yes, chicken breader and seafood breader. I do a mix. Oh, it's the best crunchy fish ever, y'all. So yep, I do a mix. Woo! We got flour going everywhere. Anyway, so, and both of these breaders already have, hold on for a second. Hey, C, I'm on the thing. Hold on. Can you quiet down? Thank you. Sorry about that. Both of these breaders have seasoning on them already. So look how big this fish is. So, yes, humongous. They whitens. They are huge. So, all you need is 1 piece of this. So I'm gonna put all 3 of those in there. And I put it in my container and I shake it, shake. I got my grease getting hot. I'm gonna drop the fish in the grease. Y'all do know how to test to see if your grease hot enough. You take a little water and sprinkle it in your grease pan, and then I just shake. Hey. When you make food, you gotta dance a little bit and do it with a little love. Okay. So, alrighty. See, it's nice and breaded, but I gotta check the grease. Y'all see if y'all hear the pop? Nope, no popping, so it's not ready. So, I don't want my grease too hot. I'll be back. Alright, the green beans are nice and hot, and I'll put that bacon grease in it. Y'all hear that grease popping? It's about ready. I'm gonna go ahead and drop this fish in here, y'all. We're coming down to the home stretch. Woo! Hot, baby. Hot. Hot like fire, hot. So I got these 3 pieces of big fish. Number 2. And then the last one in there. And number 3. Alright, we'll be back with the finished result. Alright, y'all, the food is done, and y'all know what time it is. It's time to dance. Y'all know I get excited about the food. Anyway, so we got fried whites, we got fried potatoes and onions, we got green beans, and we got cornbread. So this is the food. This is the food, and y'all know I'm gonna do a little taste test for y'all. Y'all know how I do. One moment. Alright, I gotta get my my camera too low. There we go. Alright, fried potatoes and onions. Look at them things. And of course, I'm a ketchup fanatic, so I dip it in ketchup. My God, those onions is everything. And the green beans, see all that steam coming from it? Bacon grease, y'all. Bacon grease and garlic salt. That's all. Then that cornbread. That cornbread is all sweet. Tastes like cake. That butter I pour in. Then that big old piece of fish. Just pull a piece off. It's hot. Ketchup queen, so no hot sauce for me. It's hot. That is it. Ooh, it's hot, y'all. That's Sunday dinner. That's how we grind over at Be Amazing House. Peace, love. I know y'all probably want to get some of this. If I could throw you the plate through the monitor, I would. But I can't, so I'm going and I'm gonna enjoy, and y'all have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See y'all later.